There is something deeply satisfying about solving a puzzle. It activates a part of your mind that feels both playful and driven at the same time. Crosswords and Sudoku are two classic examples. They have been around for decades, and they remain popular for a reason. They are fun to do. They keep your brain busy. They challenge your thinking in different ways. And they do something even bigger beneath the surface. They sharpen your mind while you are simply enjoying a grid of numbers or a clever word clue. Crosswords are like a trivia treasure hunt. You draw on vocabulary, general knowledge, pop culture memories, and pattern recognition. You look at clues, think about possibilities, and test out answers until the grid slowly fills in. Sometimes you take a guess and hope it works. Other times you recognize a word instantly because it's hiding right there in your mind. The more crosswords you do, the more you notice patterns. You pick up new vocabulary and new facts. Your recall gets stronger. And you get faster at accessing words when you need them. Sudoku exercises the brain in a different way. It uses logic instead of language. You do not have to be a mathematician to do Sudoku. You just need to follow the rules. Numbers from 1 to 9. Each row, each column, each square. Your brain holds information in working memory as you test moves. You try to imagine whether a 6 belongs in this spot or that spot. One wrong number can throw the whole grid off. That pressure to be precise forces your mind to focus. It pulls you into a problem-solving mode that strengthens logical thinking and mental discipline. Both puzzles have something in common. They demand your attention. You cannot solve them while half paying attention. The mind must be present. That kind of immersion trains your focus. It pushes distractions aside for a little while, and that is valuable in a world full of constant notifications and split attention. When you solve a puzzle, time can slip away. That is a sign you have entered a deeper state of concentration. Visualization plays a role here too. When you do a crossword, you can almost see the letters before you write them. When you work through Sudoku, you imagine number placement mentally before committing it to paper. That inner rehearsal strengthens spatial reasoning. It trains the mind to see possibilities before making a move. That is a valuable skill in decision-making outside puzzles too. There is also an emotional benefit. When you finish a puzzle, even a simple one, it feels good. It gives you a spark of accomplishment. That feeling is dopamine. It motivates the brain to keep going. And this emotional reward keeps people returning to puzzles again and again. Long-term, puzzles support brain health. They stimulate neural networks. They reduce cognitive stagnation. They even help keep the brain younger as we age. Doing puzzles regularly is like maintenance for your mental engine. Just like exercise keeps the body in shape, crosswords and Sudoku keep the mind flexible, adaptable, and strong. So puzzles are not just entertainment. They are training sessions wrapped in enjoyment. And each grid you complete is one more rep in the mental gym. Keep solving. Keep stretching your thinking. Your brain will thank you every step of the way.